Yo, what's up YouTube? My name is Mondo. Thank you all for tuning in. And today, this is what's in the box. Let's open it up, shall we? Alright, I've already got my box cutter right here handy. You know, you gotta be ready when making these YouTube videos. Let's see what we got. Oh, would you look at that? It's a Pioneer radio. Now, let's open this up, shall we? Now that we've got everything set up, we can go ahead and open up the double DIN Pioneer radio. It's a DMH220EX. And the first thing we can see here are the male to female USB connector, some hardware. You got your wiring harness right here. Plugs right into the back of the radio. And you also have the microphone. Comes with, of course, basic instructions. Now let's get to the fun part. Nice. Very nice. Look at that. That is beautiful. Brand new double DIN Pioneer. Now, this has a 6.2 inch display, multi-language display, direct controls, of course, for the iPhone, iPod, just as it's shown right here on the box. USB, video output, RCAs, band and EQ, steering wheel. But this is very beautiful, very, very nice. I can't wait to connect it. This is gonna look lovely in my Subaru. And don't worry, I will be posting a video on me installing this as well. Thank y'all for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Future videos will be posted, especially me installing this Pioneer double DIN radio into my 2005 Subaru STI. You don't want to miss it. Also, in the future, we will be having contests and giveaway raffles, meaning you can have the opportunity to win cash, gift cards, and free merchandise. Trust me, you don't want to miss. But up until then, we'll see you next time.